Our mentors, we salute you. We salute you for leading us to close doors intended for us to unlock opportunities to grow up, bloom, extend our dreams, and bear the fruit of excellence. Among the ways, you directed us along the perfect road. You have embarked into us ideas and ideals for being good citizens for ourselves, to humankind, and especially to God. You didn't give us knowledge solely. You taught us how to apply it for God's glory. We salute you for bombarding us, giving us heavy tasks and stressful assignments, squeezing our brains with quizzes, straining us with activities, for you know that high pressure makes shining diamonds. We salute you for you act as one our counselors. When we are in blues, you enliven us. When we are viewing things with dim lights, you brighten our minds. For us to get a good perception. When our misbehavior almost spills out of the glass, you drain it and find ways to make sure it will not overflow anymore. We thank you for holding your temper and opening your ears for all our voices. We salute you, for as far as we know, being a teacher is hard. But you stand against us easily, and you mold us to the best that you can, despite all the business. We salute you, even though you have your own family. You unselfishly shared your love to us. You considered us as your big family. You are our school parents, giving the best among the rest. And most of all, we salute you, our teachers, for you are true teachers. Your everyday teachings is our forever bearings, to infinity and beyond. To the faculty, we, embarked by your labor and love, salute you. My co-graduating students and pupils, you may now personally give your gifts to the teachers. Thank you and good afternoon.
Mr. Ernesto B. Banglaan Jr., Basic Education Principal, will now